it's been a bit since I've done a video, but I'm doing one now. As you can see, the 2006 gaming computer got a nice little case upgrade. This is actually my old one. It's a Corsair Carbide Spec 02, and I just carried everything over and put it in. Nothing has been changed hardware-wise, but that's actually the goal of today, because today we're gonna switch out the graphics card, because you can see from the last video I said the graphics card was the bottleneck, or at least I assumed. So I'm gonna actually test that by taking out the 7600 GS, and we're gonna actually upgrade it, just a very slight upgrade, to this monstrosity. Now, what is this, you're asking? This is a combination of things. It's a 9500 GT that the fan broke, as you can see, so I ripped off the cooler, stuck on this nice aftermarket one from I don't even remember where, and put this really tiny fan on it to keep it cool. And that's where we're at right now. So this is going to be a hassle to plug in. Okay, so this is it installed. It's got this beefy aftermarket cooler, and I plugged the Molex header in. So I'm just going to screw this in. This case uses thumb screws, which is good. However, I'm probably going to need a screwdriver. I'll be back. As you can see, nice and screwed in. Not going to fall out anytime soon. I'm going to go set this up, and let's get into some benchmarks. Okay, conclusion time. Did the graphics card upgrade increase the gaming performance of this computer? Yes, it definitely did. As you can see from the FPS marks, we saw massive increases in Bad Company 2 from the average of 16 to the average of 40, and Called World at War from the average of 20 to the average of 44. But the minimums were quite low still. We got 14, 18, yeah, and there was quite a bit of stuttering in games like Minecraft. And now I think the issue is more CPU bound than anything, because that CPU is pretty aging and old. Maybe in the later episode I will upgrade it. I don't think the motherboard supports a Core 2 quad, but I can try and get that to work. But thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.